What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I just received a huge box of decorations for Valentine's Day, if you couldn't tell from my apparel. So listen, there's so much to go through. I have a massive bin of decorations in the basement, which I'm going to probably get to later today or tomorrow after I do a massive deep clean, which yes, I'm going to take you through it. I love doing a good deep clean of the house and a clean routine video for January. It kind of goes with like the goal setting vibe of January. So I'm going to dig into this. I have a bunch of stuff behind me that I'm going to share with you guys, some candies, some decorations, and I will probably go grab that bin downstairs as well and dive into all of the V-Day decorations. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Okay, so listen, this huge box just came in and I'm so excited because I get to share all of the things with you as well as many other things. So like I said, I already have a big bin. I think it's bins downstairs. And I mentioned this the other day. Here are a couple things that just came in. I have like some little, I got outfits because last year I felt like I didn't have enough Valentine's Day gear. So I got some outfits. I will link them all on my Like to Know It, which is always linked in the description. These headbands and scrunchies are from Sewing Sweethearts. I shared them in my most recent video, Obsessed. This Friday, launching, which I just pulled all these out of my cupboard. This is the Rosé All Day Bubble Bath, which I'm gonna decorate my bar cart in my closet with some teas and cakes, body sugar scrubs and creams and soaps and all of the things and kind of make it like Disney Valentine's Day themed. These are from Confectionery Soaps Co. I have a discount code, Angie 15. Every time there's a launch, it will sell out within I always say an hour, but I think it's more like 10 minutes. So make sure that you grab that countdown. It's on my stories, on my highlights, and the discount code is always shared as well, but you can DM me if you forget. It's Angie 15. Okay, so I'm so excited. So I got a bunch of stuff from Michael's, ordered it all online while I was still in Florida, and it was just delivered. I will say I hate when they take your order. Does this ever happen to you that they'll take your order? Granted, I guess that they're low on supplies and probably manpower, so all is forgiven. But they'll literally take your order, confirm your order, and then be like, whoopsie, just kidding, canceling these couple items. So it's so discouraging. And I can't go to the store right now. One, I'm in quarantine. Two, everything is shut down. So online shopping for the win. I got a couple of, which I was really happy because usually I get these at Home Goods or Home Sense or TJ Maxx or wherever. Some little cocktail napkins for margarita clock. But these were so love with the pink heart. So these were $7.99. All the prices are in Canadian, I'm sorry. CAD. So $7.99 Canadian, so reasonably priced in America. So good amount. Love. And I don't know if it's coming up, but the heart is actually pink, which is so cute. And I love these. These were $6.99. It always kills me whenever I share the prices and then Andre hears the prices after. He's like, really? But oh, everything was buy one, get one. That's important. I think it was buy one, yeah, BOGO. Right? That's usually a deal at Michael's with seasonal decor. They were selling out of stuff super fast though. There were things that I had in my cart that disappeared within a day. So little square cocktail napkins, love. Then this came in its own parcel by itself in one little envelope. That also happens with Michael's and it's hilarious, but whatever. So I got this tea towel. Listen, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but I need it for the end of, I always hang a tea towel or a little dishcloth at the end of the bar cart, and I don't think I have one for Valentine's Day. So this was $3.99, but I still think it's cute. It's just not very big. For the size, the bar cart's pretty big. We shall see. By the way, bar cart is handmade by my brother. I found a bunch of dupes of it, and I will link them for you guys, just as rustic and industrial looking with the wheels and everything. I found really good knockoffs. Does that look wimpy? I don't think it's gonna look wimpy once I have all of the decorations on there. I remember a couple things from last year and it was epic. Oh, and by the way, we have pink champagne this year. That was a whole thing last year. I didn't have pink champagne. It was frustrating. Maybe I should start looking now for more pink champagne. So I have a bottle of pink Veuve from my parents, which is what they got me for Christmas. Love my parents. And then I have a sparkly pink bottle back there from Andre's mom. And then I have a gold bottle. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the gold bottle out. It has to be all pink and red. I know that there's a red sparkly bottle of that Prosecco. Maybe we'll do that. Okay, then I got this. I'm probably gonna get something for Andre and put it in here, but you also use it as decorations. It's just a box. I just thought it was cute. Very on brand. Okay, then this is one of the items that got canceled. I had other sprinkles. This is Sweet Tooth Fairy Sprinkle Mix from Michaels. I feel like the packaging leaves a little bit to be desired because once it's open, it's open. But I needed Valentine's Day sprinkles for my morning smoothie so that we could be, you know, in character and in full Valentine's Day mode. Is this sprinkles? No. Yeah, that's all I had for sprinkles. I feel like I need to order more sprinkles because these are a little bit lame. The ones that got canceled, I think had like hearts and stuff in them. If you have a suggestion, because by the way, Amazon is not killing it right now for Valentine's Day decorations. Where should I look other than Michael's? If, by the way, if I'm Canadian, because don't we all wish? Okay, what is it? Oh wow, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but for a tiered tray. This is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Wow. Okay, so it's like a little sign that holds itself up. How much did I pay for this? Angie, how much did you pay for this? I don't know. I don't know, and I'm a little bit scared to know. Probably too much, but still cute. It's like a little clipboard. And I'm gonna put it on the tiered tray. But I'm sure I paid too much for it. Oh, but again, everything was buy one, get one, so it's at least somewhat reasonable. Okay, I had some of these from last year and I figured this is one of the things, two things when you order online from Michaels. This happens. Can you see how it's like missing all the glitter on this one, on this little guy? It looks like a little naked bottom. Looks like he lost his butt. So that happens. The other thing that happens is they'll kind of cluster items. So they'll put like a red, a white, and a pink one. And it's like Russian roulette, whichever one you get. But I'm happy with the pink ones. But I have a ton of these from last year, so I know that. Oh, I was really excited about this. This is for the bar cart. If you've been here long enough, you know that I always just categorize things into bar cart or tiered tray. And then my bar cart and tiered tray have too many things on them. Okay, I thought this was cute. This is supposed to be a frame, but it's like the back of a little truck. So there was an actual truck, which is what I really wanted. But this will do. It says loads of love. It fits the vibe. Okay. And then, by the way, if you're wondering why, like I get it that it's weird that I love Valentine's Day so much and I love to decorate because I know a lot of people have very strong opinions about not liking Valentine's Day. It was when Andre and I started dating, and it's about February for us is very special. It's also the month that we got married. We got married on February 23rd, started dating on Valentine's Day. I know, super typical, but love it. I got some ribbon, probably to wrap gifts, but I feel like I could also decorate with this. And I have a full couple of DIYs that are coming, which I'm really excited about. So this might come in useful for the DIY. This was $5.99 Canadian. Oh, this little thing was $2.99. And again, buy one, get one. Okay. Then, because I got stupid amounts of candy. So tip, if you have Instacart or, I don't know, one of those apps that you can download and order your groceries from, you can get your candy from there. So, especially if you're stuck at home. So these are heart gummies that are from Walmart that the nice Instacart lady brought for me. By the way, I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna give a shout out to the ladies right now. If you get a female shopper on Instacart, your experience will probably be 1,000 times better because they are so much more meticulous and they will actually go look for the item instead of just saying that it's out of stock. I didn't say it, but I said it. I had to say it. It's the truth. Then I got these strawberry cream heart lollipops. These are for a DIY. We're gonna do a couple DIYs since we're home. These are the conversation hearts that I shared in my last video. I ordered these off of Amazon, so we need to confirm this. I heard that the conversation hearts, like the real conversation hearts like these, the ones with like the stamped like miss you, love you, call me, XOXO, sweet, hug me, like the OGs. I heard that they went out of business, so they're really hard to get. And then these are the ones that you can still get. So these are called Sweet Tradition Conversation Hearts. So these are like embossed, but they're not the same. Like these are the OGs. So would you like to know how much I paid for these on Amazon? $24.99. I really wanted them. I'm embarrassed to share that, but you needed to know. And then my personal favorite, I got 2 of these. These are the best cherry chocolates on the planet. I love them. Fun fact, once offered my brother $20 for his that my parents got for him in his Christmas stocking, and I didn't get any, and I offered him $20 for his box of chocolate, and he took me up on that offer. I love cherry chocolates. The other thing I do, and I'll link the video down below, I did a decorate with me for Valentine's Day last year, and I was just watching it to like get vibey, and I did a maraschino cherry chocolate martini. So good. So I'll link that and you can make yourself the martini. Okay, so this is to put, I got this from Michael's. Listen, I'm not obsessed with it, but I'm not obsessed with it. And it's what I'm gonna put some of the candy in for the bar card. Oh, and to those of you that have ever commented on my videos and said, you're so lucky that you live in the winter months and that like, we can't do that. We can't just leave candy out and decorate with candy. We would have ants. Learned that in Florida this time. We had these tiny little ants. I have no idea where they came from. I have no idea what they even wanted because there was no food out. So annoying. So I feel your pain. And I'm probably about to feel your pain whenever we're in Florida. So I get it. But as long as I'm in Canada, I can decorate with candy. So I got this little plate, which I thought was super cute. This was $5.99. How much was that little bowl? Because this one seems cheaper. This one was $7.99. Okay. Listen, it was slim pickings, but we're gonna make it look nice. And I have stuff from last year, it's gonna look amazing. All right, these, I was excited about these. So what I did is I searched the website. I searched heart on the website because just the Valentine's Day section was very slim pickings. So I started searching by heart. So that's how I found the ribbon and then these little things. So these look like candy hearts. Now, there's not a ton of them, but if you laid them out properly, they could pass as candy. So if you have an ant problem, that's an option. And then I got glitter ones. So these are in the scrapbooking section. Like I used to scrapbook when I was younger, fun fact. And these are so pretty. They're like a glitter finish on them, like love. These are for the DIY that I was talking about. And so are these. So these are little stickers also. I just want to tell you about my DIY ideas. I'm gonna give it away. I didn't want to give it away, but I'm gonna give it away. I'm really bad at secrets. So I want to make a Disney-inspired tray. We're gonna leave it at that. We're gonna do one for like the rest of the year that's like a normal, matches the theme of the house, and then we're gonna do a Valentine's Day one. That's all I can say for now. That's what the rope was for in the last video. Then, you know how I always share the whipped toppers? I may or may not have figured out how to make them. So that's what these little accessories are for, is to put on the whipped topper. I'm nervous but excited. It could go completely wrong, but usually I'm stubborn enough to make it work. So that's one DIY, and then another DIY. I'm so excited. Did you ever watch Art Attack as a kid? That's kind of like been my childhood dream, to just become that person. So if I could do videos where I just sit down with you and I'm like, okay, we're gonna take out our PVA glue and we're gonna make this, dreams have come true. So there is this gumball machine. I think it's from Target, but we don't have Target in Canada. We used to, for a very short time we did. Those days were magical. They had this gumball machine that was pastel colored, and I'm seeing people on Instagram DIY them. And I thought, cool, game on. I'm gonna DIY a gumball machine and pastel it in like a pastel pink, duh, and fill it with, I think these, some form of candy. We'll get more candy if we need to. Oh, maybe these would be perfect. These candy hearts, right? That'd be so cute. So you pastel in like a chalk finish the gumball machine. I'm excited. So those are my 3 DIY ideas so far. If you have other DIY ideas, please share them down below because we're gonna do it. I love arts and crafts. It's gonna make me so happy. I just need to not make a mess of the house. So bar cart is gonna get decorated. I think I'm gonna order a couple more things. Oh, I just ordered, it's on that back table. You can barely see it. There's a box sitting on that table. I ordered the Disney Parks Monopoly. I saw it in the parks, and for us to bring it all the way home is not easy, so I just ordered it online. I'm so excited about it. And it's like new, up to date, like Rise of the Resistance is on there. So it's actual park rides. It's not just movies, which I'm excited about. So I think I'm gonna do the console, I'm gonna do the coffee table, and I'm definitely gonna do the kitchen. And now I have 2 tiered trays in there. So, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna go a little bit crazy with the Ray Dunn pieces that are being sent over from America, which I'm so excited. I'm thrilled about Valentine's Day. So if you have ideas, 1, for DIYs, but 2, where I can get decorations right now that places aren't sold out. I saw Pottery Barn had cute stuff. anyways, I will link everything down below. I can't wait to have a proper blog and be able to link things for you guys whenever I talk about it and show you everything, but I'm pumped. Onwards with all of the hearts and all of the candy and all of the chocolate. I hope you guys are safe, having a good time at home. We're gonna get through all of this together and have a good time doing it. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here, and buckle up for all of these DIYs and all this Valentine's Day fun and all of the deep cleans with me. It's gonna be epic. I'm excited. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed, hit the bell so you get notified, and follow along on Instagram. I'm sharing a lot of behind the scenes. We are doing this like VIP group behind the scenes. There's so much happening, and a lot of it gets shared on Instagram first, especially the real raw behind the scenes parts. So definitely go check out there. I just shared a bunch of stuff about our house also. So go follow along on Instagram. I'm gonna put all of this away, get to cleaning, and then start decorating, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, dudes.